In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to turn it on, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. Then to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to paste it after more than an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, just hold your text and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, you can also hold it and click on delete button, or swipe it to the right. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!